Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Renault Kangoo van, stock reference number 4131. The shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 9th month 2010. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has had light damage in the right hand rear as well as light hail all over. We have the bonnet which has light hail, right hand headlight, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, just a little bit faded, left hand headlight, left guard, a couple tiny little dents on top edge. This vehicle's fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre, has a left power door mirror. Left front door has only one dent. Left rear door only 3 and a light scrape dent down the bottom. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Left hand barn door. Light hail on the top edge. Still may be usable. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear sliding door has multiple small dents. Right front door has about 4 dents. Right power door mirror, and right guard has 4 dents as well. 14-inch right front steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue cloth interior. It's got a grey manual centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.